Good morning everyone. Let us start poem Macavity the Mystery Cat. This poem is written by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot is the 1948 winner of the Nobel Prize in Literature. He was a poet, dramatist, editor and publisher. Macavity is a poem about a villainous and wicked cat Macavity. The poem describes how Macavity manages to commit all types of crimes and always escapes from being caught. Nobody can get his paw prints. Nobody could arrest this criminal mastermind during or after his committing crime. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw. Macavity is known as Hidden Paw due to its smartness. He is so smooth criminal that he does not leave any evidence. He is a secretive character. Now next, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. It means Macavity is a mystery cat. He is a master criminal. He can defy means disobey, and break any law. He is the bafflement means confusion, matter of confusion, for Scotland Yard and Flying Squad. Scotland Yard and Flying Squad refers to the headquarters of London Police. Even the police force and flying squad of England have failed to arrest him. Macavity moves much faster than them. When the police reach the scene of crime, it is too late. The criminal Macavity by that time is gone. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. This stanza means Macavity is matchless in his field. He can do any impossible task. He can disappear. He can break Newton's law of gravity. It means he has powers of levitation. It can float in the air. He can rise in the air. He disappears from the crime spots immediately through such tricks. Even the fakir and the magician are surprised to see his movements. He will outwit you. He will not be found. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity has got supernatural power. You may look for him in the basement means underground, or in the air. You will have no approach to him. You cannot get him. Macavity is so fast.